squishy expectation versus reality, so let's get started. So I just got my first ever healthy donut in the mail today, and I'm going to squish it. Whoa. So here I got my first ever healthy donut in the mail today. I'm going to squish it. So I got a squishy package and I'm super excited. Ooh, I got this cow. And I got this Hello Kitty bread bun. So I just got a squishy package in the mail today. Ooh, I received an extra. Yay. Oh, I found a squishy store. $1.25, $4.50, 50 cents, $1.75. Oh, I found a squishy store. $8.75, $20, $9.50, $10.50. What? Morning, $1.75. Afternoon, $1.50. Overnight, $3.25. Whoa. Morning, $8.50. Afternoon, $7.25. Overnight, $15.75. What? Thank you guys for watching my squishy expectation versus reality. Hope you liked it. The question will be down below.